So if you're like me, you love all the dates in Brightspace, but you don't like editing them every time you roll a class over. So I discovered something today that I thought I'd share with everybody. So I am teaching the same course this fall 2025, as I did in fall 2024. So normally I would import the course and then go through and change all the dates. Now I have a lot of stuff, so I'm changing dozens and dozens of start date, deadline, closing date, things like that. So there's a way to do this so that most of the dates are exactly what you want without you going into every single one. So for example, I'll show you how I would do this. So you can see that I have a global climate change course here. So that's what I'm currently teaching this spring. But I'm going to go back to my, I'm going to do, okay, fall global climate change, 97141. Okay, so of course I go in there, I do course admin, right? I'm going to do import export. I'm going to find my one from fall 2024 and import everything. But that's going to have all the fall 2024 dates. So I check the calendar for fall 2025 and it appears that we start 1 week later. So I'm thinking to myself, well, that must mean that all my due dates are going to be 1 year and 7 days later. So if I go into my course, let's go back to my fall climate change course, and I go to course tools. Again, do this after you bring all your stuff in. Go to course admin. Okay, there's this little thing here under site resources called manage dates. So you click on that. All right, and you're going to see these are all the different things that are in my Brightspace course, many of which you see have all these different dates on them. So I'm going to check this box to do everything, and then do what's called bulk offset days. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to do all my due, start, end, all my dates are going to be, leave it as checked. I'm going to offset by direction and range, and then here I'm going to go forward. Now 1 year is 365 days, but I want to add 7 to that because it's a year and a week, right? So if I put in 372 and hit save, I've already done this, so I'm not clicking save, it's going to go through and every single date in Brightspace is going to add 1 year and 7 days from where it was in fall. And so then when I go back in here and I look at assignments and whatnot, you'll see they all have the 2025 dates in there. These dates are probably all going to be exactly what I would have had to hand edit. Okay. Now, because of the calendar changes, maybe a holiday or professional development, things like that, you're going to have to still go back and look at the calendar carefully, but I'll bet you at least 90% of these dates are things you would have had to hand edit that are done for you. So I hope this helps you. Share it widely.